Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon polar bear. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So I'm going to line up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. On the top left side of each eye, I'm going to draw a smaller circle for a highlight, coming in and then bending that back out. Let's line that up on the right side. And I'm going to add one smaller circle on the bottom right side. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's move in between the eyes along the bottom and draw a small oval for the nose. And we'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Let's move to the center of the nose, draw the left side of the mouth. We're going to come down and bend that up, go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Now we want to open up the mouth, starting on the bottom left, come down and then up. Add a small curve for the edge of the tongue. And then fill the top in black. Let's move all the way out towards the side and draw the bottom edge of the head. So we're going to start out here, come down just underneath the mouth, go across and bend that up towards the right. Let's go back to the side, draw the top of the head. Go up, round up the head, come across and then down. Let's place the ears on top of the head. Starting on the left, draw a half circle, going around, down and then in. Line this up on the right side. Let's draw a smaller half circle along the inside. Let's move to the center, draw a straight line coming down the edge of the scarf. Go out towards the right and go straight up. From the bottom corners of the head, let's curve the scarf, going around and then in. And we'll close out the bottom with that same curve, coming down, go in behind, continue on the right, going up. From the bottom of the scarf, let's round out the leg. We're going to go out and bend that in. And I want to round out the paw. We're going to come down and just pull that up. And we're going to draw a straight line going across. And then we're going to draw the hind legs, starting here, then it's in and then up underneath the body. And then we'll separate the toes with two lines on either side. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of a polar bear. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.